Calikorean. Today we will be opening the 2019 Spring Pusheen box. We just got it yesterday, and this one has a little hat on it. It also has paws and tape. And two little stripes. Now let's open it. Oh, that's cool. Okay. It's extra small. It says on the side. Now, ready, set, open. Ta-da! Okay, let's not see this. It's so cute! Can you see it? I'm not gonna look at the back. Okay. Let's see this first one. It's a little Pusheen bandana. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try opening it. Let's just slide it out and then let's see what it looks like. It's so cute! It is so cute. It's adorable. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna wear this to school too, on Monday. I'm gonna wear it to school Monday. I don't know why I laugh like that. And then what's this? What is this? What is this? Is this pajamas? Wait, what is this? Is this a shirt?
Oh my god!
Oh my goodness! It's a little Pusheen shirt.
Wow.
I am so happy right now. Yay! Okay, that was really loud. Move it to the side. I'm gonna put it right here. Now, what's this? It's a Vincel figure. It's so cute. It's a Sailor Pusheen. Oh, it's so cute. Should I open it? Yeah, I'm gonna open it. Let me just take it out. Open! It's so cute. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. I'm gonna just pop it out. I don't need to bring attention. I'm just trying to break. How are you supposed to get this thing out? Get out. Oh no, it landed on his face. It's so cute. You could even see his two little stripes on the back.
Look at the
It's
tail.
3D. I'm gonna set it up right here. Oh, you want to the other little ones up here. And this is this thing. Bye bye. Salad container. Oh my gosh! This is so cool!
Looks like a water bottle.
Yeah, it actually kind of does. I'm gonna open it. Oh, it's already kind of open for me. Thank you, whoever sent me this.
Joel's stretched it. Oh man.
Oh, it has a little fork attached to it. Now what's this? How do you... Yeah! This is the dressing thing.
Oh.
Stop throwing it back to me. This is the little dressing thing. It's so small. You just need to put it on the top like this. Open it.
The salad inside?
Yes.
Aww.
It's so cute.
Oh, I thought that was like
Water bottle.
Salad.
Salad
Oh,
and the
Your
food
salad
dressing.
in there.
cool. That's nice. Can I have it?
No.
Thank you.
I'm gonna take it to school. When school starts again. What is this? 2-pack can coolers.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
It's gonna be one for me, one for you.
Yes.
How about me?
Okay.
I'll give you another thing. What is this? I wonder what this is. It just sounded good. I'm gonna open it. Before we go on to that tiny box thing. Bye bye. This is what it looks like. It has a little sailor Pusheen. And another sailor Pusheen, just the same as the figure. Another pack of these thingies. Oh my goodness! This is a photo holder. It's so cute.
Wow.
I'm gonna open it.
You gonna put the Candice picture on that or BTS?
Oh, that's so cute. It's jumping. Wee, 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 wee. Now let's move on to this box thing.
What is it?
What is this? What is this?
Ooh.
It's a, I don't know. I don't know. That's what it is. Yeah, let me see on the list. It should be on the list. First, bye-bye. 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 Oh, wait, this line is really close to me. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Let's not look at the other things. Where is it? This mini keychain flask can hold 1 oz of your beverage of choice.
I keep reading this.
That's so cool. That's so cool. That's so cool. It's so cute. I'm just gonna hang this on my bag and then I could drink something. Oh my gosh.
When you're really thirsty.
Yes. When I am super thirsty. Should I keep this?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it. This is cool. You could even. I'm gonna leave it in the front. What's this? I need this. My mom will be so happy. It's a to-do list. And there's a magnet. It's a magnet too. That's cool. That is so cool! Oh, it has a hole in there. I'm gonna open everything here basically. Which means more trash. Okay. I need to open it. I need this. Sure. Oh, maybe I can use the fork. Not. Let me cover the holes. There. Bye bye. What was that? We open. Bye bye. Let me
That's
see.
nice.
It's just all one design, but it's so cute. It's so cute. Okay, let me leave this right here so it doesn't stick onto this metal thing. I'm not sure if it's.
I need that.
What is this? Let me see this. Warning: this is not a life-saving. This is not a life-saving device. Don't leave child unattended while device is in use. This is not a toy. Never allow diving or jumping onto or from this product. Use only under competent supervision. It's a pool float. It is so cute. It's so cute. I'm gonna open it. I want to see what it looks like. I want to see what it looks like. I want to see what it looks
I
like.
think you're gonna use it today. The pool.
We're going to the pool today? Yeah! I screamed too loudly. Okay, let me see this. Come out! Come out! Come out! Come out! Come out! Finally. Ooh, it's in wrapping paper. Let me take the wrapping paper out. Big trash coming! Big trash coming! Should I blow it up?
It's gonna take a little while though.
Yeah, it's gonna take a long while. Maybe my dad could speed it up.
Okay. I'll help you.
Ah, where's the
I'll help you.
where's the blowing thing?
Jennifer, give it to Daddy.
Oh, I found it.
Right.
Oh, it's really big.
Maybe my dad can do it. Oopsie. They're here. Oopsie. Oopsie. This is what it looks. Ow. Oh, it has static all over it. This is what it looks like. It has Sailor Pusheens on it. It's cute. Oh, there's glitter on it. What's that for? Who cares about it? It's cool. This is what it looks like. Oh. Maybe we'll film me using it when we go to the swimming pool. It has static on it. Wait, I wonder if my hair will float. Does it float up?
Uh-huh.
Does it float up?
Yeah.
That was not me. That was this fault. Okay. Bye-bye. I will meet you when we film the next Pusheen box. Bye.
Thank you.